The vertices of triangle LMN are here. I've graphed it already. And that's what you should do too for a type of a question like this, unless you're really comfortable with a big system of equations, which I think that's hard to keep track of. What are the coordinates of the orthocenter of LMN? So again, we need to remember the important things about the orthocenter. Orthocenter is made from altitudes, which goes from a vertex to the opposite side at a 90-degree angle. So it needs to be perpendicular to the opposite side. Sometimes that makes the orthocenter way outside the triangle, or sometimes it might just be right on a line. This looks like a right triangle, so this might... Let's start with this altitude. So if I wanted to find m's altitude, I have a pretty good way of doing it. You can try to eyeball it. You might be able to do it. I did that with some people in class, but I want to show you the right way to do it. So if the line coming from M needs to be perpendicular to this side, what I could do is find the slope of this side. So to get from L to N, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, down 7, over 1, 2, 3, 4. So the slope of Ln is -7/4, which means a perpendicular slope would be +4/7. So if I start at M and I follow this slope, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a perpendicular line. The best I can do through that side, right angle. You can see it looks pretty perpendicular to me. So we could do the same thing from vertex N to that side. The slope is 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is going to be kind of annoying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if that slope is -3/6, the perpendicular slope should be +6/3. So from this point, I'm going to go up 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, over 1, 2, 3. So this altitude is exactly on this red line. I'm not going to do, you really only need to do this twice, and we can see the point where these lines intersect is right here. If I was to find the altitude from line L, it actually also is directly on this side. So this is a right triangle. So the place where they meet is right here. That is our orthocenter, and it just happens, because it's a right triangle, it happens to be on one of the vertices of the triangle. So that is point -2, 8. Back 2, up 8. Definitely easiest to graph this, because otherwise we'd have been doing a lot of equations here.